Watch the checkbox. I click it once. Yellow means it's thinking. Green means it's done. I just generated a legal PDF contract, pulled from a database, and emailed it to a client. All from my phone. No jobber, no subscription, just Google Sheets and 200 lines of code. Most contractors are paying $1,000 a year just to send nice PDFs. I'm an ex-GM. I hate recurring costs. So I built Roofing OS Pro. It separates your business data, settings, from your logic, code. In the Settings tab, you enter your tax rate, bank routing, and Zelle info once. The script injects this into every single quote automatically. Here is the engine. It doesn't just screenshot your sheet. It takes a Google Doc template, which you can design to look like $1,000,000, and uses this script to search and replace the data. It formats the currency, calculates the tax based on your settings, and even adds a dynamic itemized table. The result? A PDF that looks like it came from a Fortune 500 company, generated for free. Why did I use checkboxes? Because drop-down menus on mobile sucks. I wrote a specific function called onCheckboxEdit that gives you visual feedback. If you're on a roof or in a truck, you need to know the system worked. Yellow for processing, green for success. This is the difference between a template and a system. If you want to copy the code, I've pasted the core logic in the description. If you want the full mobile-ready system with the templates and settings pre-configured, you can grab the Roofing OS Pro kit on my site, $69. But here's the deal. Every business is different. If you need custom calculations, like square footage waste factors or multi-crew scheduling, hire me. I don't just paste code. I build business logic that fits your operations.